All right, boys, we're getting ready to move some cows to another cornfield. I'm just going across the CRP here to over to that gate there, so it ain't a fucking big deal. But I tell you what, boys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give whoever guesses close to how many cows come across here, and they'll kind of trail across. I will give you one of my hats. Not this hat. This is Stormy Cormer. One of my Eat Beef hats, and I'll even sign it for you. Anyway, we'll let you count them, and hell, as a bonus, you're gonna figure out, you know, how many cows I got in here. I said there were 600 at one point, but we'll see. That's if they go right across for me. Here they go. So yeah, shouldn't be no big deal. See if you guys get a count on these things. Hey, cows. Everything look good to you? See any lame ones or anything wrong? Anything like that? Everything good. You guys should have a pretty good count by now. There's the tail end, I think, anyway. See anything else out there? Me neither. Well, that's what we got, boys. Boys and girls. So what do you think? How many cows? All right, I'll make it a little easier on you guys. Kind of scattered out a little bit. Tell me what you think. You just get a better idea. What the hell are y'all balled up there for? I better go check to make sure there ain't a pile of corn. I didn't notice one before, but there they are. How many? And I might have been fooling you when I said there were 600 or 700 or whatever the hell I said. I think they're just combine loss. So yeah, and if anybody chimes in that actually knows, like my nephew Tucker or my son, they're gonna get their ass kicked. So anyway, there they are. Eat beef.